In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix SCUM fatal error crash. First, go here and then type run. Type %app data %, press OK. Go back, go to local, then find SCUM, and then press S to find it faster. Click on it, click on saved, and then under where it says save files, right click and then delete it. So once you do this, you can just close this down and check if it fixes the error. Now if you're still having issues, go back to Steam and go to the game that you're having the error with. Right click on it, properties, and then under installed files, click verify files. Now once you do this, you want to go to browse and you will see the game. Just find the .exe folder for the game. Right click on it, properties, compatibility, enable these three options, then click apply and then click OK. Now under general, make sure there's no text written here. Under launch options, make sure there is no text written. So try this and see if it fixes your error. If you're still having these issues, then what you can do is first exit Steam. Just go here, click exit, and go to NVIDIA. So if you have the NVIDIA app, you will be able to update your graphics cards drivers through here. Just make sure you update it. After updating the graphics cards, go back to Steam and try to uninstall the game and reinstall it. And hopefully this should fix your error.